The story of the Pantanal's creation is just as fascinating as its wildlife. Two million years ago, tectonic shifts created a gigantic sinkhole, hundreds of meters deep. At its center, a basin almost perfectly circular that rivers began to fill. They created an enormous floodplain. Surrounded by imposing heights, the Pantanal covers an area as big as Great Britain. Geological factors alone would make this a unique region. But that's not all. Water flows into the basin primarily from the north and east. Big rivers grind their way through the rocks. Innumerable smaller ones cascade over waterfalls to fill the plains. They bring sediment and nutrients from the highlands. Halfway down, capuchin monkeys have found their very own paradise. Somewhere, fruit is always ripening. Much of it ends in the primates' stomachs, but the rivers also carry plenty down to the plains. Unless, of course, it's intercepted by the brycons. These 40-centimeter omnivores are just one of hundreds of fish species here.